Hi everybody, I'm Aaron with DCM Bioservices. Today I'm going to be showing you how to safely power on and off your Agilent Velocity11 VCode Microplate labeler. To safely power on your VCode, you'll turn on the power switch on the back of the VCode here. Wait for the printer to boot up. Usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll hear it chime and the screen will say ready. If your printer doesn't boot up, you can check the power switch on your printer here. Since the power runs through the VCode, the printer doesn't need to be turned off independently. To safely power off your VCode, simply switch it off from the back of the VCode. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Subscribe for more lab automation tutorials, and if you don't feel confident performing these tasks on your own equipment, please email us at service@dcmbio.com.